Hi, I'm Bethan. I work in the employer engagement team. Our team works with organisations that are looking to recruit students and graduates. Many of the employers that we work with advertise opportunities on our online jobs board. As a Cardiff University student, you do have access to this service throughout your studies and for up to 2 years after you graduate. On here, you can find graduate jobs, internships, placements, and work experience opportunities. Just search for Jobs Board on the intranet to find it. This autumn, keep an eye out for our showcase events. Think of these like online or virtual careers fairs. During these events, you'll be able to find out a little bit more about the organisations that attend, what opportunities they're recruiting for, and you'll also be able to attend a series of live events and sessions that will be taking place throughout the day. In addition to these events, we will be running employability weeks throughout the autumn term. During these weeks, we'll be exploring different sectors and working industries such as public sector or careers in STEM. You'll be able to attend sessions with our careers staff, but you will also be able to meet and attend sessions with employers. A lot of these employers will be delivering sessions online based around recruitment processes to really help you with those employability skills. To find out what events we have taken place, simply search Fairs and Events on the intranet.